Good morning guys. Meron lang akong i-share dito guys regarding dito sa Google AdSense guys. Kung paano mag-set up ang Google AdSense. Ayan guys. Kung nakikita nyo yan guys, let's get you started. Just follow the steps to start earnings with ads. Dito guys, na-set up ko na dito yung payments ko guys. Your profile is complete. Dito sa ad guys, ad settings confirmed. Okay na rin po siya guys. Dito guys sa pangatlo, connect your site to AdSense. Kailangan ko bang i-connect yung aking site dito sa Google AdSense? Ayan guys. Tapos dito guys, meron lang akong papakita sa inyo guys dito sa payments information. Ayan guys. May mga nakalagay na siya guys. January 1 to 31. Ayan, nakita nyo yan guys oh. Ayan oh, ito. 0 pa yan guys eh, 0. Ibig sabihin guys, wala pa akong transaction. Dito nakalagay guys, you reach 0% your payment threshold. Ibig sabihin wala pa akong kita guys, kasi 0 pa eh. Kasi dapat daw ang ma-achieve mo is paid monthly if the total it at least $100 your payout threshold. So yan guys, ngayon ko lang kasi to guys na open yung Google AdSense ko guys. Hindi ko alam guys kung may dapat gawin pa ba ako dito or gawing setup. Kasi nakalagay rin dito guys, to start earnings from AdSense you need to add your payments info and connect your site. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, so sa dulo guys, nakalagay 0 pa siya. So wala pa akong kita dito guys. Kung sana guys matulungan nyo ako guys, or mag-comments kayo guys kung mayroon pa bang akong dapat gawin dito sa aking YouTube channel guys. Although guys, mayroon na akong subscribers guys na 3,095k. Ayan guys, tingnan ko guys sa aking YouTube channel. Ayan guys oh, nakita nyo yan guys, 3,095k subscriber guys. So yan, kung mayroon kayong mga comments guys, pwede kayong mag-comments tungkol sa aking YouTube channel kung ano pa dapat kong gawin. Salamat guys, thanks for watching guys, bye bye.